In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Steam Workshop content quickly and easily. If you play games on Steam, the Workshop is one of the best features available because it lets you install mods, maps, skins, and other community-created content with just a few clicks. The best part is that you usually don't need to manually download files or move folders around. Steam handles everything automatically once you subscribe to a Workshop item. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find Workshop content, how to subscribe to it, and how it downloads to your game automatically. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your Steam account. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Community. When the drop-down menu appears, select Workshop. This will take you to the Steam Workshop hub where you can browse community content for different games. Now you'll need to find the game you want Workshop content for. You can either scroll through the available games or use the search bar to quickly find the game you're looking for. Once you locate the game, click on it to open that game's dedicated Workshop page. Inside the Workshop page, you'll see a large collection of community-created items. These could include mods, maps, skins, gameplay tweaks, or other add-ons depending on the game. You can browse the most popular items, the most recent uploads, or use the search bar to find something specific. When you find the mod or workshop item you want to install, click on it to open its page. On this page, you'll see details about the item, screenshots, ratings, and a description from the creator. To download the item, simply click the subscribe button. The moment you click subscribe, Steam will automatically add that workshop item to your account. You don't need to download files manually or place anything into your game folders. Steam takes care of everything for you in the background. Now here's the important part. The workshop content usually downloads automatically when you launch the game associated with that item. So once you've subscribed, open the game in your Steam library. Steam will begin downloading the workshop files if they aren't already installed. After the download finishes, the content will typically appear inside the game's mods or workshop section. From there, you can enable or manage the content depending on how the game handles workshop items. And that's really all there is to it. The Steam Workshop makes installing mods incredibly simple compared to manual modding. If this tutorial helped you learn how to download Steam Workshop content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.